Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this short 2-minute video, I'd like to quickly show you how I'll use Midjourney to help brainstorm ideas for a current Power BI report that I'm working on. So the data set is on domestic violence. So in Midjourney, I've already entered the prompt: an infographic illustrating domestic violence data in the Pacific with graphs and charts, domestic violence theme, color theme, purple. So this is the result that Midjourney has given me. So this image here is interesting. So if you haven't used Midjourney before, here we have U1 through to 4 and V1 through to 4. So U1 meaning upscale and V is variation. So if I select U1, for example, it's going to select the first image. So you have U1, 2, 3 and 4 and V1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I select the first image U1, it's going to do an upscale of the first image, but if I select V1, it's going to do a variation of the first image. So let me just have a look at these images here. Which one can I work on? Okay, I'll try the second image there. So let me say select V2, so different variations of the second image. Let's quickly have a look at that. So Midjourney is working on that now. Okay, the image is ready. Let's have a look at it. That's interesting. I love the color code. I love the design and all that. So I'll just continuously look at the different images and whether I upscale or I do a variation. But basically, this is the process that I go through to sometimes brainstorm ideas, especially the data visualization part and infographic of my Power BI reports. I use Midjourney as well to brainstorm ideas. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.